All right, here we go. Question number 8 from our Precalculus homework number 3. In MyLab Math, we have yet another exponential equation to solve, and I believe we're going to attempt the method of common bases again. Here is our strategy. We're going to try to get e to the x squared to equal e to the something else. Whatever, if I can figure out a way to get all of this mess to simplify to e to some power, then I will have the same base on both sides, and when the bases match, they cancel. So that is our ultimate goal, is to get this right-hand side to become a single exponential piece. Now there's a couple of ways we can attack this. We could get rid of this fraction by moving the e to the 70 up to the top. I think instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the first factor into a fraction, which now you can see we have a fraction times a fraction, which we would multiply straight across, giving us e to the 17x over e to the 7d. And then since these have the same base, we know that the exponents are going to subtract. Okay, just for reference, if we had 2 to the 5th over 2 to the 3rd, this is a much more basic example. You've probably seen this before. This would turn into 2 to the 5 minus 3. So here, when the bases match in a fraction, the exponents become subtraction. So this is going to simplify to e to the 17x minus 70. And now we have arrived at our destination. The bases match, so they cancel, and we're going to be left with x squared equals 17x minus 70. Our exponential equation has now become a quadratic equation. So now we need to set it equal to 0. Moving the 17x and the negative 70 over gives me x squared minus 17x plus 70 equal to 0. And then factoring is the fastest way to solve if it will factor. So here we can see the signs are both going to be negative. We're going to have x and x to make x squared. And we need numbers that multiply to make 7d that add to make 17. And that is 7 and 10. Setting each factor equal to 0 and solve, the negative 7 and negative 10 would become positive when you move them over. You can show that step if you need to. And here again we have two solutions. So checking in MyLab Math to see if we're right. Bam! And we're done. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.